What exactly is a prompt? A prompt is any specific question or input you give to an AI system to get a desired response. For instance, when you ask Alexa, "How is the weather?" or Siri, "Will it rain today?" Those are prompts. The same goes for asking Google for a recipe or using ChatGPT to summarize an article, write a story, or DALL-E to create an image. In short, any instruction you give an AI to receive a response is a prompt. Let's see this in action. Suppose I am a healthcare professional and want to learn about AI. If I ask ChatGPT, "What is AI?" I will get a broad, generic response. But if I specify, "I am a healthcare professional, explain AI with relevant examples from my field," the response becomes more targeted, focusing on AI applications in healthcare like diagnostics and personalized medicine.